Alright guys, for those who saw my Oulm watch review, I think I called it £10 challenge or something, you'll know that that watch didn't turn out to be very good in the end, so I thought I'd give it another go. Bought another couple of watches, received them recently. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll have seen a sneak peek of them already, but I thought I'd do a quick look at them, or unboxing, just to show you what they're like, before I do the proper review in a few days. So, like I say, both of these watches cost me, I think it was around £10 each. I think one was about £9 something and the other one might have been about 11. But I'll leave links in the description if anyone's interested in picking them up. But you might want to wait until I do my actual review. So, in the packet, you'll get it in bubble wrap only, obviously no box at this kind of price. But you do actually get a cleaning cloth, which is nice considering the price. You don't really expect anything extra, to be honest. So both of these watches are actually Onola, I think that's how you say it, branded. And they're both quartz pieces. Obviously, given the price, you're not going to be getting an automatic movement at this price. So, actually looks quite nice. Nice simplistic dial. Pretty simple. Strap actually feels quite soft. So, again, just the branding on the back, nothing too fancy. Looks alright. So, let's have a look at the other one. So again, comes in the bubble wrap, and you also get, again, cleaning cloth. So this is the one that I was really interested in picking up out of the two. I think it's got a bit of a Nomos thing going on. Looks a little bit like one of them. Obviously nowhere near the quality, but again, it's a £10 watch. But initial impressions, looks pretty good. Again, nothing too fancy, but pleasantly surprised so far. They look better than I thought they would. And they actually feel a bit better as well. So that's pretty much it for now. Like I say, I'll be doing a proper review of both of them probably in a few days after I've tried them out for a bit. So thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you then.